At Friends and Family Spinal Care, taking care of people is what we do best. Follow me so I can show you inside. We understand how it feels when pain steals your focus, your energy, your joy. At Friends and Family Spinal Care, every touch, every conversation, every adjustment is designed to restore what matters most: your health, your confidence, your freedom. When your body moves better, life moves forward. We've seen patients reclaim time with their kids, rediscover passion for their work, and reconnect with the joy of simply living well. Here, you're not just a patient, you're part of a family who cares deeply about where your story leads next. It's your health, it's our passion at Friends and Family Spinal Care.